So guys, climb to Nahargarh has been started and just covered like 2 kilometers, and you can see entire Jaipur from here. And I'm right now here at the police chowki. Looks like abandoned. And I think right now, instead of taking this way, I'm gonna take this way anyway. Let's see what happens, but I'm positive about it. Even though I'm scared, but I'm positive about it. It's not easy at all. Let's hope for the best, guys. Okay. I don't think it's allowed to do something like this. Die here as well. It's pretty steep here. One wrong step and I could be down there. And those. Okay. Going pretty well. Oh fuck. Finally. Oh, it was difficult and scary as well. You can see I took this way. If my one step went wrong, I could have fallen somewhere there. And you can see here Jaipur view and a long way to go. Let's go, guys. So again, I do not want to take this route. Let's try with this. I don't know if I can make it this time. Let's try going this way, but I'm gonna do it. I'm trying to climb this without any equipment. It's steep. Look at this. If I fall from here, I can end up over there, and it could have been very risky, but I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try. But I would request you not to try, not to become stupid like me. But I just want to do it. Okay, look at this. Oh, I've come to a long way, I guess. Oh, this looks solid. What do you guys think? This looks solid. Okay. Oh god, look at this. Oh my god. Did I do any mistake? Shall I go using this way? Or shall I go using this way? I'm kind of stuck right now. I'm not sure which way is the way. Guys, what do you think? Should I take this or this one? This looks very stupid. Also at the top you can see it can fall. But same thing with here, but I think, oh god. Okay, we have one more way here. I do not prefer this way, I don't know why, but okay, I've decided I'm gonna take this way. Okay, let's try. Let's give it a try. I know I can end up. No, I don't think. Nope. It's the wrong way. No. I cannot go, guys. I cannot take that way. You know very well. Oh shit. Wait. Oh god. I'm stuck, guys. I do not know what to do right now. I'm totally stuck here. I do not know what to do. You can see I'm totally stuck right here. I can go back, I guess, but using this way or this way or this one, you know, this doesn't go to anywhere. I think I should start going down, because I don't know. Even though if I take this one, I'm not sure where will I end up. I'm gonna sit here for a minute. I'm gonna think about it. Here we have the beautiful Jaipur city and I'm stuck. Let me think, guys. Give me a moment. Yeah, this is not working. I have to go back, guys. That's all. I have to go back. So as per the rules, you go one by one. You see the tail. Next one will go here. Okay. Good, going good. Wait. It will definitely take some time to wait. So guys, I think it's done. Yeah, I have made up my mind. I'm fucking gonna climb this. Right now I'm scared. Yes, I am. Thank you for telling me. I'm scared. I managed to grab this. I think I can go up to this tree. And even though I think if I fall from here, this tree will take my burden and I'll not fall. Guys, I don't know what is going on with me. I'm just stuck and I'm trying to get out. Oh, I mean, I managed to reach here finally. I managed to climb this. You can see, check this out. Take out my shirts and all. And the bad part, guys, the very bad part, we don't have the way right here. I'm on a wrong way right now. I cannot go back now, cannot go up. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Only option that I have is keep going up and keep going up and keep going up. But the good thing is it's much easier to climb here right now. It's not that difficult like the initial ones. Pain right now. My entire body is stuck with these. These are all in my hands. And it hurts. It does hurt. Fuck. So these are just not stuck on my shirt. I think they're touching my body parts as well. Big task is not removing this. The big task is going to be find where I'm going right now. I'm in extreme pain right now. What is this? I don't know. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to eat that. I'm not a bear girl. He's a just gentleman. He's a great guy. No one can be like him. It's not stable, but I think we can manage it. It's not that steep, but it is steep. It is steep. Okay. Here we go. I managed to be here. Okay, I'll take some rest, please. I fucking need some rest. Look at this. I fucking need rest. Oh God. I think that's the Jal Mahal over there. I can also see the Jantar Mantar and the Hawa Mahal right over there. Everything is in front of me, and the death as well. Instead of going there, guys, now I'm gonna jump here. I'm gonna take this route right to the fort. I fucking hate them. They have given me pain. I know, guys. Even though I try to do something stupid, strange, amazing, risky, you guys are not gonna like my videos. You guys are just not gonna watch it completely. You guys are like, bore ho raha hai yaar, bancho kya paka raha hai yaar. If you really like this, give it a like, guys. Give it a like and do share with your friends. Now let's go ahead. Let's get to there. Let's get to our Great Wall of China. Okay, so I have two ways. Instead of going this or go that. Completely stuck. Okay, I'll go there. I'm in pain. I just want to be on a flat land. Okay, guys, let's do it. Just always look for, if you ever stuck, look for the good ones. Oh shit, see where I am and where is the Great Wall of China. See, this one is going right there and coming from there. That means I still have to hike this so that I can be there, because I cannot, I cannot go there, cannot go down like that. Hope you guys agree with me that this is the good plan. Let's give it a try. But sometimes in life, look at this. In life, it's not about trying. It's about, my hands are gone. It's bleeding. Can you see the blood? I'm so happy because मुझे आवाज़ है लोगों की. But I think again where they are going, they're not even coming this way. Oh shit! I know how I can bear the pain now. So I'm not gonna remove those. My knee is hurting. I just hit my knee. I need to rest. Okay. My hands are shaking now. I'm really sorry guys for not giving a stable video. And my finger, it's bleeding. Oh god, look at this guys. What do you guys think? What should I do? I think I should take my knife in my hand now. I think it's time when I take out my knife. That's gonna help me. And I'm so tired right now. Maybe it's just because I'm about to die. I don't want to die. I'd rather have my dairy milk. I'm gonna eat this whole, yeah, you're right. I don't care if my hands are full of germs. I'm getting some energy. Okay. Do not throw it anywhere guys, keep it in your bag. Even though I'm about to die, I'm not even throwing. This is, look at this. This is our planet, right? It's our responsibility to keep it clean. Let's not throw it. I'll not drink too much water. It was difficult for me to carry my weight. Time for the real man. Maybe I bought it for this state. I don't know why I did I bought it, but I think today I'm gonna use it. Hello! There are some guys and I don't know. Let's use this. Let's go up. We're gonna make video of mine dying. We're just gonna make video of mine dying. Okay, I did manage to cut that using this amazing knife, and I will recommend you to buy this knife guys. I'll put the link in the description. Not promotion or something, okay? Hello! 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 Help! Help! So they just ignored my voice and laughed at me. So no one is coming to save me. So looks like I've lost my, oh shit, yeah guys. So this is what left. I lost my very important part of my action camera, and right now I'm just using this to okay, made some. I just, okay, stop here. Please go aside. Let me go up. It's very important. I need to reach at the top. The good thing, right, is it is not dark yet. It's like 4 afternoon, maybe 3, 2, I really don't know. But it's not dark, but it's about to get dark. Yes guys, I'm okay. I'm okay. I was just stuck. I'm really sorry. I think I'm close somewhere, somehow close, not really. It looks like a wall everywhere. I don't know how to climb there. Even though I climb, I will get stuck. Time for this one. Okay, we made our way somewhere. I can see the human reach here. Can you see these wires? But the bad part for me is now I'm at the top, but look at the walls. They're huge walls. So I think only option for me is to go there, using that way, using this way. Okay, check out the view. The view is amazing. Look at my hands. I know it looks stupid. My pant and my dirty shoes. It's bleeding like on so many places. I don't know about this part and all, but I think I'm stuck. It's not that easy that I'm thinking. Even though I reached there, I have to answer a lot of questions. Then why did I do it? Okay, we'll see about that. Let's go first of all. Let's save our life. I'm sorry I'm cutting you, but it's about my life now. Go away. Okay. Okay, I'll start going down now. I'll see where I reach, because from here I cannot go up. See guys, even though I climbed till up, nothing happened. I just don't want my GoPro to go away from my hands. Trust me, that will be very sad. Okay guys, I'll update. So guys, finally managed to come here downstairs. And मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ, इन्होंने देखा जो भी हुआ, मतलब
भैया बहुत भयंकर हालत थी, खड़े होने की स्थिति नहीं थी बिल्कुल भी, 1% भी। बड़े हम साइड में बैठे हुए थे, हम खुद एक मोड़ से भगते भगते आए इनको देख के, गिरते हुए देख के, और बहुत लिटरली बहुत।
मैं यहाँ से आया और मैं पूरा गिर रहा था, मैं लेट गया बस, और मुझे होश ही नहीं फिर क्या हुआ, फिर 5 मिनट बाद ही होश आया। भाई ने बहुत हेल्प करी, भाई ने और भाई ने, थैंक यू यार, थैंक यू सो मच। मतलब ये नहीं होते ना तो मैं आधे घंटे पड़ा था, उसके बाद ही होश आता।